Recording. Hi there, this is Bob and Lou. We are on the ground underneath the Anglia at the back, looking to see how we're going to do this anti-roll bar. Today is, it's November, right?
Yeah, November.
Shit, what is it? November 6th. Anyway, a little awkward under here. Lou,
Okay.
take a look. Yeah, show us.
Okay, here's what the plan of attack's going to be. Okay, here's the bracket, which the tube goes through. Okay, the tube is going to go from this side of the frame to the other side of the frame, just like this. There'll be a bracket bolted on here, and the tube will fit inside. Okay, the tube will be going across. Then this baby here, this guy here, is going to sit right in here like A, with another rod end here,
So
like this, and this bolt will be longer, so the rod end will hook into here like that.
So that'll be a clevis.
No, rod end, the clevis is this.
Yeah, I know, but I thought you said one time you were going to do it.
No, clevis would be back here, if I went to the back of it.
Okay, so you can put a heim in there too?
If I would go back here, I'd go with a clevis like this.
Okay,
But if I go out here, I'll use the rod end.
okay. Got it.
Okay, and then we'll sit something like that.
All right, well, that should clear.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not gonna really move that much.
yeah, and ideally we would like that rod, which is hanging now by gravity, to be in the vertical position, right?
Yeah, I've seen some that are down like this. But some guys say it should be here, some guys say it should be like A.
Yeah.
I
think the critical part is that this thing is going to be vertical, right?
Yeah. Well,
Maybe close to vertical.
yeah, pretty close to vertical.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So let's spend the next 5 to 10 minutes trying to get out from under the car. And
Yeah, that's what it's going to take. And, that's happens you get old.
yeah, we're gonna climb up. So I'm gonna. Pull
Most people work with their cars up on the fucking lift.
Well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trouble with this garage is there's no room up above the foot of the lift.
Yeah. Okay. Hang on. I'm gonna pause here.
Okay.
Hi. Well, we made it out from under the car, and wonders of wonders, we did it in only 3 minutes instead of 5. Anyway, this is episode 78. This is segment 1, and as I've already stated, this is what, the 5th, the 6th, 2 days after. So here we are with some changes on that. Okay, instead of these plates here, now that we know about where it's going to go, what we have is this. So, of course, this will be attached like this. This is the split collar that will go on this, with this going to here. And this doesn't quite fit the inside of this right now, so we're going to end up polishing this to make that a zero-cone fit. And this will go on the inside of the kick-up part of the frame rail. And one of our viewers asked in the last video, episode 77, what the part numbers were. Well, this doesn't have part numbers because this is 3/16
Cold
roll stock, and this is 1.25 inch diameter cold roll seamless tubing, which is 3/16 thick. So this is common stock, these pieces. These are machine pieces from something.
Yeah, that's a piece
And then,
of
of
pipe
course,
tubing.
the bushings. So, I mean, technically there'll be a part number for the bushings, and there'll be part number for the clevises and the heims end, but there's no parts associated with this. This is all material that's hand formed. Oh yeah, this is a common item that's purchased also. So that is that. So, and which of these are going to use, you think, for the...
Probably going to end up going with the bolt. Run a longer bolt in there, and that heim will go on like that. So it'll sit like that.
So it'll be a heim on both ends.
Yeah, be a heim on each end.
Yeah, and obviously we want this as close...
This is these are right and left-handed thread. This is left-handed thread, so you can tweak it.
Tweak it, oh, good.
Yeah, and what you want to do, once you get it in there, you want it to preload it. According to the people I've seen talk, one guy that builds chassis, he preloads. He gets the car all sitting sitting on the ground. Then he preloads these. He just tightens them up, so there's no wobbly doing them.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. Okay.
All right,
So that's the reason to go with right and left-handed thread. It's a lot easier. Yeah, because all you got to do is just turn the...
Yeah, turnbuckle.
Yeah, just be like a turnbuckle.
Now, I see that this one's got a Zerk fitting.
Yeah, these are the ones I had.
But this one does not.
No. They make so many different kinds. So,
alrighty, so...
Use what you got in hand.
So... Today is Thursday, and Sunday is the Sergeant Viola car show.
Yep. Oh, I got the air cleaner, too.
Oh, yeah. By the way, the air cleaner that Riggs removed ends up, the forward edge of it, zero contact to the other side of the hood there. So...
Hello, Alan Brock.
So Lou has ordered and received, obviously, a replacement air cleaner.
That'll work.
Yeah, I guess that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's lower.
Definitely a low profile.
Yeah. Well, that'll work all right. Oh, and it's a foam, huh?
Yeah.
So you can actually remove it and clean it.
Yeah, and then it's actually got the thing for a PCV valve.
PCV valve, yeah. Well, we don't deal with no stinking.
Yeah, no stinking.
No stinking.
Yeah,
PCV valves. All righty. Okay, so let's see. I think at this point I'm going to end this. This, of course, will be segment 1 of episode 78. 77 is apparently interesting because in a day and a half since I published it, I looked this morning, we got 1,006 views on it, which is way over our normal stuff. So hope it keeps up.
That's great.
Yeah, thank you all out there. We appreciate your watching, subscribing, and all that jazz. So I'm going to end this here, and I'll pick it up later. Probably, maybe even with, I don't know. We'll probably not have that done before Saturday, right?
No, I won't.
Okay.
Because I got to pull the tires off and all that stuff. So I'm just going to drop the car, make the stuff up and actually probably try to install it next week after the car show.
Okay. So then segment 2, hopefully, will be us driving to the Sergeant Viola car show at the Keller Town Center, which has got to be all of a mile and a half away.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of cool.
That's a big one.
Yeah. They open up at 8, Lou. The show starts at 10. We want to get a good spot, so what do you think? Go over there about 9 o'clock or so?
Yeah, go about 9.
Okay, then we should be able to get our...
Yeah, in a halfway decent spot by 9.
Yeah.
Everybody's going to grab the front end like they always do.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah,
I like...
We can go over to where we normally park.
Yeah, between the natatorium and the town hall building, where there should be some trees and shade.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to end this again. Catch you all later. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Hey, I'm back. It's November 7th. I'm going to add this on to segment 1 and not make it a separate segment, but as you can see, Lou is jacking the Anglia back up in the air because now that we're both here, I'm going to help him try to get a fit. He has put the stuff together. So here's the end. Here's the end. Again, this is the split collar that will go here and lock this to prevent lateral movement once it's installed. So what we're doing right now, he's going to jack it up, he's jacking it up, and we will clamp this to the frame to see how it fits up underneath the car and get a location for it. So I'm going to pause this and I'll be back in just a little bit. Hi, back. We're under the car again. We've got the end pieces of the stabilizer bar clamped to the frame about where it goes. And you can see that's where the high bend will go with a longer bolt to that upper part of the forebar. And no surprise over here, we're going to have to do something with the existing panhard bar because it interferes with this. And we got to leave enough room in here to get the, I think it's a 1/2 inch, that split collar to keep it from moving. But this is good. Rolls easy in that position. Yeah, got to do something with this. Starting with probably take that spacer out, move this over, which will allow this to come down. Anyway, no surprise, we kind of figured it would have to mess with the panhard bar. But that's pretty much where it's going to go. And I think at this point I'm going to end this. I'll append this to the already prepared segment 1 for part 78. And we'll catch you later. Take care. Bye-bye.